Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Sriracha Peanut Sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well welcome back. I appreciate you joining us from whatever platform you're watching us on. Go ahead and like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and then share this video and this channel with everyone you know. Like I said, we're going to be making Sriracha Peanut Sauce. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We have got half a cup of some creamy peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of Sriracha sauce, 2 tablespoons of water, 1 teaspoon of some fresh ginger that we've minced, and a half a tablespoon of granulated sugar. Let's start mixing this up. All right, we have got our bowl big enough for the ingredients that we've got. Let's go ahead and start putting everything in there. Get our peanut butter. Creamy, you want to make sure you're using creamy peanut butter because you want it to mix up and blend with everything else. We get our soy sauce and our lemon juice. Ginger. A little bit of the sugar, Sriracha sauce, Sriracha, whatever you want to call it, Sriracha sauce. I'm going to go ahead and mix this up first and see if we're going to need that water at all. So, yep, we'll put a little bit of that water in there, 2 tablespoons. Remember, the recipe is in the description box or the first pinned comment. All right, there's the peanut sauce. Oh, there's our buzzer for the egg rolls. I'm going to do a photo shoot, throw a little music in there, come back, we're going to taste this sauce. Don't go anywhere. Alright, there's our beautiful egg roll sauce. Peanut Sriracha sauce, Sriracha peanut sauce. See how well it sticks to the egg roll. It's a little thick. You can water it down just a little more. Throw a little sesame oil in there if you want. Maybe to finish the top off. But got peanut taste, obviously got really good peanut flavor. Got that Sriracha in there, a little heat, the acidity from that lime juice, and then you got the ginger and the sugar in there. It kind of sweetens it out. Sriracha peanut sauce. You saw it right here. Don't forget the recipes down in the description box of the first pinned comment. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you next time.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.